These are my 3 favorite things about the Echo Show 15. Number 1, with the Echo Show 15, a lot of people will look at the display and think that that's the point. There's a lot great about that, but if you think about what you're getting with the Echo Show 15, it's an impressive list. This comes with Amazon's voice assistant, a number of video services including Prime Video, Netflix, and more. It has the ability to play from a number of different music services, including Spotify and Amazon Music. It can read Audible books, has a web browser on it, as well as a camera for video calling, and even for some security purposes. You'd be hard-pressed to find anything that can do as much as the Echo Show 15, especially for this price tag. Number 2, the widgets feature is incredibly useful as it lets you customize what's on the display. And the camera on the Echo Show 15 allows you and the other people you live with to have further customization on the display. That's because as you walk up, the device identifies you and things like calendars can change over to the person looking at it. As you make requests, the Echo Show 15 will know that it's you and will customize the responses to what you are normally looking for. So number 3, this is a more flexible display than you would expect. Not only do you get all that customization with the responses, but physically, it can be mounted on a wall, but it can be mounted horizontally or vertically. And the same holds true for placements on your countertops with specialized mounts that can be purchased, and then you can place your device horizontally or vertically. So there's so much to love about the Echo Show 15, but those are the 3 things I think you're going to love the most.